Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology, and I am here with another new quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shine or dodge effect in Photoshop using just curves, and this is a real quick tutorial and it will save a lot of your time. So now let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna use this picture and I want to add some shine on this area, also here. Okay, let's just jump into the curves. That's fine. And now just click and drag like this. I think this is okay. So this is fine, this is ugly. Okay, now click on the mask and press Ctrl and I to fill the mask with black color. Okay, that means the effect of your curves is now hidden. And now pick brush by pressing B and pick a soft white brush. Just make sure foreground color is white and also the hardness 0%. That's good. Now zoom in on the image, and now you can rotate the view of your image by pressing and hold R and click and drag like this. Maybe it will help you to paint. And now just draw some line on the lighten area, on the area you want to lighten up, like this. Maybe here, maybe here. That's good. Okay, that's fine. Now here also. That's good. And maybe here. That's done. Look at this, it looks horrible. And now click on the mask and then go to the filter, go to the blur and select the Gaussian blur. And now from 0.1 pixels, let's increase it gradually. Okay, let's try with 20. Now look at the picture closely, it's not smooth, it's not blended properly. So increase the radius value. I think let's try with 45. I think now it looks better, it looks good really. I think 45.6 works fine. I think let's increase it a little bit more, around 48. Okay, so I think 48 looks fine to this image. Look at this, it looks smooth, it looks beautiful. I think 48 is good for this image. Okay, it may be different in case of you, in case of your picture. It will depend on the picture. Okay, now press OK. And let's see the before and after. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Look at the shine. Let's zoom out and see it. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Look at the lips, look at the nose, look at the cheeks. It's really good. Wow, it looks fine. Okay, you can always decrease the opacity from here. I think I'm going with 85. Let's see now. This was the before And this is after. Look at this, it's done. It's beautiful, it's easy, it's quick. By applying this technique, you can easily add shine or dodge effect in your picture, and also you can add the burn effect also. So I will love this technique. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.